So this ruchi will come by Vaishnava Seva. And Jiva Doya, so much love and compassion will come for the Jivas. They're my friends. The mosquito is my friend, the fly is my friend, the dog is my friend. They're my brothers. They're my bai. They're my mucky bai. Mucky bai and machar bai. And Kargos bai and Kuta bai. And Pakshi bai. And Pear bai. And Fool bai. Namaste. Namaste. Take. Bilkul. Alright. So these are our friends. Brother dog, brother fly, brother cockroach. All right. Brother cockroach bye. Hey cockroach, why are you lying upside down? Are you in ecstasy? Sometimes the cockroach, he gets flipped upside down and he's going, Haribo, Haribo. I look at the cockroach, I said, God, you're in ecstasy, you're rolling on the floor, you're going, Haribo. I said, please bless me, I can become ecstatic like you. And then of course I flip him over because I don't want him to go too ecstatic. So I let him flip over and go where he has to go. Because he's late for Mangalartik or whatever. And his ecstasy of Mangalartik, he flipped upside down. So I wanted to slow down his ecstasy. Hey, come on, get there. Go, get darshan, Radha Parthasarthi, come on. Because there's many bhakta cockroaches here, I've seen. They have too much prem bhav, for Thakurji. They like mandirs a lot. These cockroaches, they have so much prem bhav for Thakurji. For Thakurji.